Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Huawei Nova Y70. So in order to do this, let's open our app gallery. From here, select the search, enter Microsoft Edge, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, click on I agree, sign in to turn on synchronization. You can skip it by pressing on sign in later. Set up for your data sharing preferences. You can either accept or not, and then confirm. Last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can also skip it by pressing on not now, but let me do that. Go for Edge and set as default. Now we can open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.